Hi, this is Andreas from Pocketables.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn any paper document into a digital file on your iPad that you can take notes on or archive or anything like that using just an iPhone and a couple of accessories. So over here I have an iPhone 3GS. It's not a new one, doesn't have the 5 megapixel camera or the LED flash, but it's proven to work fine for this use. It's running a software called Scanner Pro, which basically uses the camera to scan documents. So I'm going to head and start a new project, use the camera. And over here I have a Robinson RCN3 flashlight that I'm using. This is a very powerful flashlight. It's about 160 lumens, and the thing I like about it is that you can twist off the head with a reflector and get a light that provides a clear flood without any hot spots or anything like that. So using this you can always get a bit of extra light when you're scanning documents. Normally the lighting in any normal room isn't going to provide the best scan, so I always bring this one with me. I'm just going to go ahead and take a picture of the document using Scanner Pro, and you can't see this, but Scanner Pro actually has a stabilizing feature, so that when you press the button to take the picture, it waits until your hand is steady enough to take the picture so it doesn't blur. When it has the picture, you click done. You can then adjust the corners of the document. Click process. It's making a scanning animation. You can also do this with several pages and add more and stuff like that, but just going to do this one for now. Click done. You can rename the document. Let's call it test, and then you can go ahead and upload it. I'm using Dropbox because I find that to be the simplest solution. I have a folder for Scanner Pro. Click upload. File has been successfully uploaded. Then I'm going to go over to the iPad, which is running Smart Note. I'm going to click Dropbox, navigate to the Scanner Pro folder, select the test.pdf file, download the file, and go back, select to create a new notebook from PDF documents. I'm going to browse all my PDF files and select test, just call it test, create. It's processing the PDF file, and it created a notebook from it. Go ahead and open that. And there you see the documents on the iPad, and then you can go ahead and use a pen to write on it. I usually zoom in just so it's easier to write. This is not correct. Let's just draw a smiley face and some doodles. You can also select things like yellow highlighter, or if you're bored you can insert a tic-tac-toe, or custom text area, add some text in there, and when you're done you can select to export PDF. and it will save a local copy of the PDF file, which you could then import into other applications or email to yourself or anything like that. It will of course include all the notes you took on top of it. And if you have several documents or you get more documents as you go, you can of course insert more documents after this one, insert images, all sort of things. So I think this is a solution that works really well. It's rather quick when you're used to doing it, and you don't have to carry around hundreds of different documents that you don't really need to have in paper form. So go to nothingbuttablets.com, read more about the software I'm using, and see you later.